Good morning, dear students. Now I am going to start a new topic, that is prehistory and history. What is the differences between the prehistory and history from the same chapter, chapter 1, history. Prehistory. The main difference between history and prehistory is the existence of records. History is the recorded events of the past, whereas prehistory is the time before writing was introduced. Therefore, it is clear that prehistory, as the name suggests, is the time period before history. Prehistory, as the name suggests, just already I explained, it means the period of time before written records, and this period refers to the time when humans had not developed the art of writing. The study of tools, pottery, bones, weapons, caves, and the paintings, etc., tell us about the life of the people of that time. And history refers to the period of written records. It studies the writing on rocks, barks of trees, pillars, copper plates, and paper. It also studies the ancient manuscript written on dried palm leaves. Then after, the topic is need to study history. Students, studying history enables us to develop better understanding of the world in which we live. Okay, just as building knowledge and understanding of historical events and trends, especially over the past century, enable us to develop a much greater appreciation for current events today. Students, as we know that we all live in the present and we plan for the future. But how do we understand where we are going and what progress looks like? To know exactly where we are going, we first need to understand where we have come from. For that, we need an appreciation of history. Benefits of studying history. Entire societies and the individuals within them benefit from gaining a deeper understanding of history, just as develop an understanding of the world. Through history, we can learn how past societies, systems, ideologies, governments, cultures, and technologies were built, how they operated, and how they have changed. Okay? Become a more rounded person. History is full of stories. Some are inspiring and uplifting, others are, immortal. And next, understand identity. Nations are made up of a collection of stories and legends. These stories shape the way we think about our country and our standing within it. History is where we learn about how great institutions are formed, how they have contributed to where we are today. For many of us, looking back at incredible fellow countrymen is a way of establishing our own identity. Finding who we are and what mark we can make on the world is a huge part of childhood. Allowing children to learn about the identity of their country is one way of facilitating that. Then after becoming inspired, those historical stories can also serve to inspire individuals to greatness. History remembers brilliant people and their heroic acts that have changed the shape of nations. You get a huge amount of motivation from learning about the inspirational events that make up where we are today. It only takes one great story from the pages of history to light up children's imagination and then after spur them out to do the great things. We learn from mistakes. Those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. Okay? Develop transferable skills. History is a respected academic pursuit that challenges our intellect. Students must analyze information that may not have one clear interpretation before offering a balanced conclusion. Students, history repeats the present with past. Yes, unless we understand our past, जब तक हम लोग अपने पास्ट को अंडरस्टैंड नहीं करेंगे, समझेंगे नहीं, वी कैनॉट डेवलप अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द प्रेजेंट. तब तक हम अपने प्रेजेंट को अच्छे से डेवलप नहीं कर पाएंगे, नहीं समझ पाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when we see the Wright brothers, Wright brothers, first aeroplane invented by Wright brothers, we can trace the history of the modern aeroplanes. You just see in your book ancient airplane and then after modern day aeroplane. History teaches us to act better in present by learning from the past happenings. हिस्ट्री हमें ये टीच करता है कि जो पीछे हो चुका है, पास्ट में जो हैपनिंग्स हुआ है, उससे और बेटर हम कर सकें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हिस्ट्री bears the fact that wars always caused huge loss of life and property. So we should avoid all types of wars. Next, history is the source of knowledge about our culture. हमारी संस्कृति के बारे में हम ये नॉलेज देता है ना. हिस्ट्री एक सोर्स होता है about the culture and it makes us aware of the words of wisdom. Teaching of the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, the Quran, the Guru Granth Sahib, etc. These all holy books make us learn invaluable lessons. History tells us why we celebrate important historical events like the Independence Day, the Gandhi Jayanti, the Republic Day. These three are national festivals, and the festivals, religious festivals, just like Diwali, Christmas, Eid, and Guru Parv. And it tells us about the significance of our celebrations. Thank you, students. It's all for today.